Ultimately, the customer is king. Making sure you're providing quality of product, quality of service, speed of service, making sure you're available and accessible, making sure people are there to help, making sure, if someone buys off you today, a year from now, give them a follow-up call. Those very basic principles, right? Just follow through on those, and expenses is especially if you're doing anything digital, software as a service. Wow, whoever invented that wants a bullet, I'll tell you that. What happened to just buying a desktop app and using it?
Yeah.
Subscriptions get on top of it really easy. So we do an expenses review every 90 days to make sure that things aren't creeping through. It's quite often you do your accounts at the end of the year and you're like, oh fuck, I've been paying $100 a month for that. Not even logged into it for 2 years. And those kinds of expenses really stack up. So that's, review expenses every 90 days, especially if it's anything to do with digital.
Yeah.